Hi everyone, my name is Faneza and welcome to my videos. So today I'm gonna tell you about my daily routine in the weekdays, what I usually do in the morning, from the morning until night. So usually I wake up at around 6:30 in the morning. Sometimes I feel a little bit sleepy and want to stay in bed, but I know I have a lot of things to do, so I get up anyway. And the first thing I do is head to the kitchen. I put the clean dishes from the last night back into the dish rack, and then I wash any dirty dishes that are still in the sink. It's kind of like a little morning warm-up, I guess. Yeah. After that, I take a nice shower to fresh up and wake up myself more. Then I get ready for campus. I iron the clothes that I've already prepared the night before. I like to look neat and tidy, so ironing is a must for me. And next, it's time for skincare. I use my favorite skincare on my face to keep my skin fresh and healthy, and I put on a bit makeup on my face like in this video. Not too much, just enough so I don't look like too pale or tired. And when I'm all ready, I check my bag to make sure I didn't forget anything. I put my book, I put my pen, my wallet, my charger, and other things. And then I order an object online. Gojek is a motorbike ride to take me to the campus. I spend most of my day at campus. Of course, I go to the classes and study, but also I love to spending time with my friends. We usually hang out, chat, grabbing snacks, or just chill together after the class. It is one of my favorite parts of the day, of course. Then I usually go home around 8 or 9 p.m. depending on how busy the day is. And when I get home, I don't do anything right away. I take a rest for 5 until 10 minutes just to breathe and relax, Then I take another shower to wash away the tiredness of the day. After showering, I cook some rice and make a simple dinner for me because I'm hungry, of course. And when everything is done, I finally go to my bedroom, lay on my bed, play with my phone. I usually scroll through social media or check on my assignment and deadlines. And before I sleep, I set my alarm for the next day so I didn't wake up late. And that's it, I guess. It's time to sleep and recharge my energy for the next day, for tomorrow. Yeah, that's a little peek into my life. It might be busy sometimes, but I like having a routine. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you on the next videos. Bye bye.